And Megan Thee Stallion celebrating a win in a defamation lawsuit against a blogger. Court documents show the jury found Milagro Cooper liable for defamation, intentional infliction of emotional distress, and promotion of an altered sexual depiction. Megan testified that Cooper participated in a targeted and coordinated social media campaign to harass, intimidate, and defame her. Now Cooper owes $75,000 in damages. ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmeyer is here for more on that. Hi, Brian. So Megan's attorney says this verdict sends a clear message that spreading, quote, dangerous misinformation carries significant consequences. What kind of a precedent will this set?
So, I agree with the defense attorney here that it does send a message, and the precedent that it does set is a dollar amount that we're seeing people who might consider themselves to be bloggers or simply commentators on some of these high-profile cases, whatever it may be. Sean Combs, we have the Luigi Mangione case that you're going to talk about later today. People are posting about it, talking about it, but opinions are one thing, but defamation is another. And when you look at the amount, especially when that altered video or picture, that took up 2/3 of the damages, it's a hefty fine or a hefty amount that you have to pay out if you're spreading this false information.
Cooper currently owes $75,000 in damages, but you say it's actually going to cost her more than that. Why?
Yeah, so in Florida, there are certain allegations or certain civil claims that don't come along with what's called attorney's fees. So defamation, it's going to be that $15,000 that the jury asked for. For the intentional infliction of emotional distress, it'll be that $8,000. But that $50,000 for that deepfake video, the judge can also attach on attorney's fees when it comes to that specific law, that altered sexual depiction that was sent out of Megan Thee Stallion. Now, imagine how much Megan Thee Stallion, who paid, according to this civil case, $240,000 for a 4-week mental health retreat. Imagine how much she pays her attorneys for. Now, Milagro Cooper, she's going to be on the hook for that. So this is a very expensive photo that she put out there. And I think, again, going back to what her attorney says, sends a deep message that you could be on the hook for potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars just out of attorney's fees and damages that a jury finds you liable for.
All right, Brian Buckmeyer, thank you.